The diagram shows a glass block resting on table. Here is a glass block, and it looks this one is a table. This marked one is table. Okay, the area of the block in contact with X, in contact is X. So area of block is X, and area of table is Y. The weight of the block is P. Okay. And weight of table is Q. Okay. Which expression gives the pressure exerted on table by the block? Okay, pressure is weight over area. So weight of the block is P, and of area is X. So P over X looks fine. So this is our correct option. $59. Okay. The diagram shows the level X and Y in a liquid manometer when the gas tap is open. Here is a gas tap. When gas tap is open, the gas will push this liquid in downward direction, and from here it will move in upward direction. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So this is 18. Okay. And we know that at the same time, atmospheric pressure is also acting in downward direction. And gas pressure would be equal to atmospheric pressure plus rho GH. Okay. What is the pressure of the gas? It is more than atmospheric pressure. 18 centimeter below, not below, it is more than. So 9, there is no sense of 9, there is no sense of 9, it is all about 18. So we have 18 centimeter and above atmospheric pressure. So this is our correct option. Which would be the number 60, which would be the least likely to sink into soft ground? Okay, unloaded lorry with 4 wheels, unloaded lorry with 6 wheels, an empty lorry with 4 wheels, an empty lorry with 6 wheels. Okay, least likely. Okay, so for 4-wheeler, the surface area, like Their pressure is weight over area. For pressure, like if the pressure would be small, then weight should be large. Sorry, area should be large and weight should be small. Then we can have small pressure. So it means if the car if it is empty, then weight would be small and six speeder will have large area. So this is the correct option. Number 60. Diagram 1 shows some air trapped in cylinder. Here is cylinder and air is trapped in it. Diagram 2 shows the same air after the piston has been pushed. Okay, piston is pushed slowly. The air in diagram 1 is at atmospheric pressure PA. Okay. What is the pressure of air in diagram 2? So suppose it is PB. By Boyle's law, we know P1. Okay, so pressure in A is PA and VA is 10. So PB is PA. So let's match our answer. 10 over 6 PA. Oh, okay, it looks. So this is the correct option. Number 62. The diagram shows a simple mercury barometer, which height is measure of the atmospheric pressure. Okay, we know that this height, this starting point is fine, but it goes till here, which contains some vacuum region. So that's why this option is incorrect. Okay. Now this height includes some vacuum region and some water level. So that's why this option is incorrect. B is only the vacuum region, so that's why it is incorrect. So we are left with only this option, which is the correct option. Bubbles of gas escaping from the mud. bubbles from the gas of bubble of gas escaping from the mud at the bottom of a deep lake rises to the surface. Okay, as the bubble rise, they get larger because weight decreases, like force decreases, area increases, or pressure decreases, volume increases. Why is this? Because weight decreases. Like if the particle is here, it will experience more weight, means more pressure. So if it moves here, weight on it, like this weight of other liquid weight on it decreases. So it start expanding. When it reaches here, the amount of weight on it is very small, so its volume increases, and so on. Weight over area is pressure. Okay. Atmospheric pressure and the bubble decreases. Atmospheric pressure remains same. So that's incorrect. Atmospheric pressure on the bubble increases. It's incorrect. Water pressure on the bubble decreases. Water pressure on the bubble increases. Water pressure decreases. That's the correct option. Okay. The diagram shows the same scale, the vertical section of the set of circular vessel, each containing the same depth. So this depth, this depth, and this depth. H is same. H same, H same, H same. Which one of the following statement is correct? The water exerts the greatest pressure on base of P because like you can see it has good amount of water, so its base area is small, so we can expect large amount of pressure. So it can be considered. Water exerts the greatest pressure on the base of S. Its area is large, so it is not possible that it will experience large pressure. So area large, pressure small. Water exerts the same force on the base of each vessel. No, its area is small, maybe its pressure would be large. Water exerts the same pressure on the base of each vessel. Wrong. Graph shows the relationship between the pressure and volume of fixed mass of a gas at constant. Okay, pressure increases, volume increases. So this graph shows that the pressure is increasing, volume is also increasing. So that's incorrect. Pressure and volume are inversely proportional. Okay, it states that when pressure is maximum, volume is zero. That's impossible. Volume can't be zero. Okay. It states like pressure is not zero, pressure is maximum, volume is not zero, so it's decreases. It's quite similar to isothermal process, so that looks fine. In this case you can see pressure and volume are increasing, pressure increases, volume increases. That's a wrong statement. Assuming number 66, assuming the temperature remains constant, which combination correctly describe the volume and shape of the gas? Temperature is fixed, then gas is gas. Okay, if describe. So volume is always fixed, but it is a solid, it's a liquid or gas. Okay. It can be liquid, it can be gas. Okay, shape. Shape remains fixed. The gas, the shape of the gas, there is no shape. So we can consider this one.